was brilliant.
An amazing show.
I didn't just like it, I loved it.
I'm thrilled that Demon Dentist is on the stage at last.
Wasn't that fantastic? Wasn't it an amazing show?
I was absolutely amazed by the scale of the production because this book is really vast in a lot of ways. You know, it moves around, there's all these amazing sort of set pieces and things, all these incredible places, and the stage show takes you everywhere.
You should go see the Demon Dentist show. It's very funny and amazing.
There's something I think that's so lovely about the magic of theatre, because it's like it has to be created, you know, right in front of you in an instant, and there's a real pleasure in seeing things come to life, and I think this is, of my books, the biggest production they've ever done. It's really on a huge scale.
It was out of this world.
I would give it 1,000,000 out of 1,000.